Hi everyone, today I will show you how to arrange online class by using Zoom. Due to the pandemic situation of COVID-19, most of the educational institutions all over the world are closed now. So the online teaching is only way to continue the study of our student. So I think Zoom is the best way to arrange a online class. So as a teacher, what you need to arrange a Zoom online class. So for this you need a PC or laptop, you need a mouse or writing pad. Okay, so this mouse or writing pad you will use just the whiteboard or blackboard of your class, and a strong internet connection and a microphone or headphone or studio set for your audio. Okay, so as a teacher you need a PC or laptop, because if you want to teach in by writing, then you have to use PC or laptop. So if you use your smartphone, it is tough to write, so you need a PC or laptop and a mouse or writing pad. So if you have a mouse, so you can use it, but you have a writing pad, then your writing or it will be more smooth and you can use it better. So first of all, you need a PC or laptop, and in your PC you need a Zoom app. So you have to download Zoom and install Zoom. So first of all, go to Google and search by Zoom. Okay, so here is Zoom. Fine, so you can go here. It is the official website of Zoom. You can take it to from here, but for downloading this software there is option of download. So go there and see there is option Zoom client for meeting, Zoom plugin for Microsoft Outlook. So we will download this one. Okay, this is downloading, so I am pause it because I have already downloaded. So see, it is 114 megabytes, so you can download it easily. Okay, so after downloading you have to install the software, and it is so easy. So after completion of the installation, you have to sign in your Zoom apps by using your Google account or Facebook. Then you have to open Zoom. So I have already installed, so I am just opening Zoom. Okay, so this is the Zoom home. From there you can launch new meeting, you can join a meeting, and you can schedule your meeting, and you can share your screen. You can share your screen mean the screen you are using, you can share them. Then this is the chat option, and this is meeting. So after signing in Zoom, you will get a new meeting ID and you will get a password. So here like this, there is a meeting ID and password. So by copy this invitation link, you can invite your student by this link. So I am starting a new conversation or meeting. See, okay, so here is all. There is the name of meeting and host and the password and the invitation link, and join audio, share screen, and invite other. From there you can invite your student by typing their contact number or by sending email. Okay, so I am not doing this here. So see, there is two options, one is audio and video. So you have to write, so mute and unmute. So I am unmuting this. Okay, so see, and there is the option security, participation, chat, and screen share screen record and notification. So I am sharing screen. So see, there is the whiteboard you can use by to write, and this is the internal whiteboard of Zoom. So I am sharing this whiteboard. See how it works. Okay, so there is the whiteboard you can write. So you can broad it and you can minimize it. Okay, so see, you can use different color. Okay, I'm writing here, so you can write by using this whiteboard, or if you have any other writing software in your laptop, then you can use them. So I have another tool, so I'm showing you. So I am okay, see, I have another one is Notepad, so we can write by using Notepad. So if you have Microsoft Office on laptop, you can use Notepad. So you can use this by using Notepad. Okay, so if you want to smooth more correctly or more smoothly you can want to write. So then there is another software you can use, and this is Smooth Draw. I'm just opening it. Okay, so this is the Smooth Draw. You can change the color or blackboard and your pen. So I'm showing you just. Okay, so from there you can write. Okay, so see, your arrangement is already ready, and after completion of arrangement you have to invite your student to join with you. Okay, for this see, there is participate option and there is the invite option. Okay, so then from there you can copy invite link and copy invitation. Okay, I'm just stopping the video. Okay, copy invite link and copy invitation. So just I'm copying this, and from this link you can share with your friend who are connected with you in WhatsApp or Messenger. So see, I'm sharing the ID. Okay, so see, when you share the copy the link and share with them, they will get two options. One is meeting ID and password. By using this meeting ID and password, they can join you too. So what your student need to join you to, they need a Zoom app in their smartphone or PC, or if they have not, they can join by using web browser. So from this, okay, so see, it is showing all the screen of the tools I have opened in my laptop. So I can share any of them if you want to teach with Microsoft Office, like Microsoft PowerPoint and Word, by showing slides, then you can use them also. So like I'm here sharing Smooth Draw. Okay, so when I will write here, you will write here, your student will be able to see both of you and your writing. You can also see your student and can talk with them by connecting with audio. So this is the all setup, and after completion of class there is way to end up your meeting. Okay, so here is option. So okay, fine. So when all your student will join it, you can see them here, and you can add them by giving the invitation link. Okay, so after completion of your class you have to close the software, like, okay, so post share, you can stop share, and then you can type and then end meeting for all. Okay, so I have already shown you how to use Zoom for online class. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.